Okay, so we are on site at a business that has gone out of business and sold off. And I got a call from, again, my BNI network hooked me up here. They've got a bunch of stuff here that they still need to get out of here before closing on Monday. And it is going to be a rush to get as much out of here as possible. So I'm going to show you some of the big scaffolding sections that they want gone. I don't know how that's going to work. But first part is get this compressor loaded up. Still works relatively new. We're going to get it in and then we're going to load in a bunch of small stuff around it. And then make another load with, and I'm going to come back with tools and see what we need to do about cutting stuff up. Hey everybody, well, we are seriously under the gun. I need to get this unloaded and then get back because there's still a lot of stuff that's got to get cut down and packed up, and we only have today to get it done. So we got to get to work. I tell you, this place would make the perfect shark cage. Big old covered buildings with open sides and plenty of room to bring equipment in, and covered work areas. Man, this would just be fantastic. Of course. Oh, and it's 3.8 acres. Hey, would this be a fantastic shark cage or what? 3.8 acres surfaced. There's the Sharkmobile and the tiny little Sharkmobile compared to the trucks and stuff that used to work in here. Workshops. Look at that big old covered workspace there. They used to refurb shipping containers here, and they've sold the business, and I got a call from a real estate friend of mine at BNI saying they got to get out of here ASAP. Can you come help the cleanup crew? So I have hauled away 2 full truckloads, and we got plenty more to go. Remember that this facility used to work on shipping containers. So they had 3 sections of scaffolding and 2 rolling ladder frames. Here's some of them here that you see pictured. Unfortunately, the crew that came out to haul away most of the stuff did not have a trailer big enough, so they asked me to cut them down into smaller sections. That just broke my heart because they were perfectly good. They didn't look pretty, but they were still in good condition, relatively speaking. But man, they were hard to cut too. I ended up using my Sawzall and a few good blades to get through them. Just what a shame to have to cut those things down. Well, it just was an insane couple days trying to clean out that yard. It was a place that worked on shipping containers, and it was a last-minute scramble. I got a call from a real estate agent that I know. Can you help us get this place cleaned out? Take whatever you want, it's all yours. And they had a junk crew there that was cleaning out things like wood debris and trash, and I mean, we were just, I've got four loads of material from this place. Some was just straight steel that I've already taken in and sold, but it's just baskets and baskets of wire and brass. And I mean, this trash can is full of power tools and cable and wire and brass fixtures and things of that nature. I don't even know what that is yet. Toolboxes full of tools just laying around. You know, stuff like this. It was just laying around in the shops that had been accumulating for years. So yeah, just it's going to take me a while to get through all this stuff and figure out what is usable and what's sellable and what's junk. Man, I sure hope that fan works. Can't wait to plug that in. I should be able to find a screen for it. If it works, I'm sure I can find a screen to make it safe. So I've got a bunch of work to do here to get this stuff ready for, well, to get it organized. I don't want to say ready, just to get it organized. Here you can see there's a bunch of brass welding fixtures, copper tube radiators from something, big piece of sheet aluminum. This is again full of power tools and wire and stuff. So I want to take a minute to talk about this air compressor. Now you saw another one in the background of another image. That other one was much older, much heavier. That was like a 4-person lift. They had to haul that away in a large trailer. This one I was able to get in the back of the truck without any problem. It is a 60-gallon, 7 horsepower. It's wired for 240 volts, 15 amps, 60 hertz, typical US kind of stuff. It can deliver 11.8 cubic feet at 40 psi or 10.3 at 90 psi. And it has 135 psi max. Now the reason why I'm putting all these stats and pictures out there is because I have put this up on Facebook Marketplace, preferably a local sale where somebody can come, get it. I know there's a number of Florida scrapper type folks that watch the channel, so if this could be useful for any of y'all, please give me a call. Send me an email, sharkscrapper@gmail.com, and we can see what we can work out. All right, this was a very interesting scrap. Lots of good stuff. It's going to take me a long time to get through everything, and in the meantime, there's still more orders and calls for pickups coming in, such as when a local hotel replaces all of their beds and needs to get rid of all the metal bed frames. Now, these aren't the kind of things that you can sell to, homeowners. So that's all headed to the scrap yards. That's going to be at least 2 Sharkmobile loads. All right, everybody, the links that are popping up are taking you to more Shark Scrapper videos, and the round one in the middle is to help you subscribe so you don't miss a single episode of Shark Scrapper. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you on the next one.